Quando io te vi.
What's up guys, it's your girl Mzchinchilla coming to you today with a new video. Now guys, it is 8:45 at night. I need to go to bed because I have work in the morning. Okay, so this video is going to be a very short one. As you see from the title, I wanted to talk about this foundation. Now I've seen many reviews on YouTube about this foundation, and to be honest with you, I'm not even watch one of the foundation reviews because I really wanted to try this foundation and give you guys my best review on it, as always. Okay, so first thing is first, I bought the foundation at a local beauty supply store and I paid, I think, about $13 for it when taxes and everything was added. I think it came up to about $13. That was the first thing. Secondly, the coverage of the foundation. Let's not talk about the coverage yet. Let's talk about finding your shade. No, I didn't have an issue finding my shade. It was between warm beige and what was the other color? I think it was, and I don't remember the name. I'm not gonna make up nothing and tell no lie, but I didn't have a hard time finding my skin tone, my complexion. It was easy to find it. As you all know, I'm talking about the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation, and this is what it looks like. And I picked up the color warm beige, and to be honest guys, I must say that the complexion, it fits my complexion perfectly, without a doubt. I can't deny the fact that it fits my complexion perfectly. However guys, after applying the foundation to my skin, I realized that it oxidizes. What I did though, before I added the foundation, I used color corrector, an orange color corrector. That can be the reason why it oxidizes. Yes, my skin got a little bit darker. I don't know if you are able to see it on camera. It is a little bit darker than it should be. I did my makeup about what, from about 6:45 and I finished 7:15, so it took me like half hour to slap on my makeup. So I've been wearing it from about 7, so I'll say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because it's almost 9 o'clock. So I would say I'm wearing this makeup for about 14 hours guys. So I would say that this foundation will give you a good up to 8 hours nice coverage. After sweating and everything, I realized that I was clocking out, so when I came home I had to use some powder to basically have the foundation seep back into my skin. So it's not gonna give you a 24-hour coverage like it says on the bottle. Did it say that, or may I make up things? Anyways, like I said, it will last you up to a nice 8 hours. The coverage was amazing. You won't have a problem with coverage. The way how it applies on your skin, it's amazing. The only problem I had with it was that it oxidized, and it worked perfectly through the day, I must say. So am I gonna give it my stamp of approval? Not yet. I'm not gonna give it my stamp of approval just yet. I'm just gonna wear it a little bit more, and then I'll come back and give you guys another review about it. So this is my first time wearing it, and I wanted to share, you know, how I felt about it the first wear. So the second wear, I'm gonna use it without putting on any color corrector and see if it oxidizes. But as you guys know, this is a drugstore foundation. It will do that. So you know, I'm always on the for a good drugstore foundation. So yeah, just give me a few, I'm gonna wear it some more, and then I'll come back and give you guys an updated review and if I would recommend it as well. Okay, but it give me a nice little, what would you say, give me a nice little run today, you get me? I just want to wear it again. I don't really want to come in here and bash it or, you know, hype it up unless I wear it a little bit more. So yeah, that's basically it. Is there anything else? No, I don't really have anything else to say. Oh, the only thing I wanted to talk about as well is this Kiss lippy that I'm wearing. It's in the shade Brownie. Absolutely amazing. I love this. However, it's a matte lipstick. If you're gonna wear it, I would suggest that you wear a lip liner because it clock out early inside the lip. You know the style is, so I would suggest that you use a lip liner if you're gonna use this lippy. And yeah, that's basically it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, please to leave me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one.